These workouts with no equipment or with just a litlittle bit of equipment. So you can grab your yoga mats, grab a little bit of weight if you have it, and if not, you'll still get a great workout out of this program.
High knees from the Body Beast home workout program T25. Mountain climbers, Body Beast. Renegade rows, P90X 3.
Holy fuck.
Hip raise, 21-day fix extreme. Switch legs.
Ready? And go.
Crisscross raise, 21-day fix extreme. Russian twist, Body Beast. Dolphins, 21-day fix extreme. Last exercise, reverse skater lunges from the Body Beast home workout, PIO. Pulse for 10. Switch legs. Pulse for 10.
Hey, so just to add, that workout is really great for one of two people. Whether you are in really great shape and you are just looking for something to just quickly maintain because you're in between workout programs, or if you are just starting out and you just kind of want to get a small routine going, set a short goal for yourself just to do 5 minutes every day just to kind of get yourself into a flow, then this is really great for you. For those people who are in between, maybe you're looking to really make a full body transformation. Maybe there's certain parts of yourself or your body that you don't necessarily like or want to change. For those kinds of things, and I highly suggest that, we have a conversation and we talk about what your actual fitness goals are, and we can definitely put you into a group with other women who can motivate you, with myself who can motivate you, and really pair you with a program that's going to help you to achieve those goals. But in the meantime, you've got a great start.